morning, you guys! I actually just filmed a little intro for this video sitting 5 feet that way, in which there was no natural light coming in on me. I was not feeling it and I felt so uncute. It was not it. And then boom, I took 5 steps this way to be in front of my window, and I opened my window and now I'm like, hey! If that doesn't show the level of seasonal depression, I don't know what does. Okay, guys, today we have the day off, but we filled it with stuff, of course. Also, if you don't know me, I'm Janine, and I am a college dancer / just professional dancer in New York City and LA. Right now, I'm in my LA semester with my dream college dance program, Pace Commercial Dance. I did a talking video about kind of how I got to where I am today and the whole struggle of that, and just not wanting to go the safe college route. Go watch that if you want to see. Anyways, I have a day off. It's Saturday and we've got stuff to do. I need to respond to emails. I need to respond to texts, for God's sake. I need to finish planning a photo shoot that I'm doing next week for just updating my commercial industry headshots. Also, I think we're gonna go train today. We're gonna do some extra training. We're gonna go to the studios. I think I'm gonna pick up Morgan and we're gonna go together. And also we wanna go on a little hike, walk situation, and we do want to try the erewhon smoothies. Also, I have to film for 2 brands today, and I actually already did one while I was getting ready, so thank God for that. Also, you guys, I need to say, the things that I used to pray for are the things on my to-do list today. The fact that I'm oh, I have to film for brands. Are we kidding? I wanted this my whole life, to be able to work with brands and to be able to partner up with them and create for them. I love creating, I love editing, I love video making and directing and shooting and whatever. So yeah, anyways, just take this as your sign that anything that you pray for truly will be the things on your to-do list a little bit later in life. I've been trying to do sunlight before screens every day. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's finish getting ready. Let's crack a bloom. I want to be caffeinated. She's beauty, she's grace. Not only that, she's also the completing accessory to my outfit. Love you, Bloom. Mwah. Hey guys, the best part of my day is the sound that this thing makes when I crack it open, and that's just the sound of just joy and happiness and caffeinatedness. I genuinely took what was a bad morning, snoozing my alarm, feeling just not good, and entirely turned it around. Proud of myself for that. Let's go make a little brekkie. We are heavily winging it all up in here. Oh, the shell. No. I should just turn off the camera. Bro, why is everything falling? Okay, bon appetit. I added this little bolero to the fit. I'm gonna bring this Nordic Beach fuzzy in case it gets cold later. So I think that'll... Oh, I need something to tie around my waist in case my period sets come back and I'm wearing white. The plans are official. We are going to train, taking heels, foundational technique from one of Beyonce's tour dancers. I'm gonna pick up Morgan. We're gonna go to ML together. And then we'll see where the night takes us from there. We're super happy that we're using day off. It's sunny, the weather's beautiful. To be LA girls for a second and explore the dang place. Then we'll go back to being productive. We will, I swear, for sure. Hi! Don't mind me blasting music in your head. I'm so excited! Me too! Dude, both of us are... Dude, I'm literally, I already have the video on. We both have energy drinks. Yeah, honestly, the fact that they're the same color scheme too is we just know it's gonna be a good day. I need that too. I just don't want to sweat. I know. Girl, I have to be cute after this. Also, I can't believe you're running and hiking in the same day.
It wasn't
and dancing! Yeah, wow, you definitely were that... Well, wait, did you go to public high school?
Yeah.
You're that girl in gym class that everyone's oh my God, you always win the pacer, you always have... And you were that girl that was done with the mile in 5 minutes. Yeah.
Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong.
We're about to go in. How are we feeling?
So excited. My first time going to Erewhon.
Baby's first erewhon. We're probably gonna get 2 different kinds of smoothies and split both for the maximum experience. Yes. And we're low-key hungry, which is a recipe for disaster. So let's go.
Let's go spend some money.
It's hard. We just filmed a TikTok trying these. Y'all aren't even ready.
I don't even want to stir it. It's so
I don't
beautiful.
either.
Mine's all the puree at the bottom, so I kind of
Okay, no, you should definitely stir.
We have to do a taste test.
And then we're gonna swap and do
Yeah, we're gonna try both.
the other person's. Okay, cheers.
Ready? Cheers.
I'm so excited.
Oh, it's really good.
Wait, fire!
It's really good.
I hate to be like that, but it's actually like,
Yeah.
what's this called? Buffalo cauliflower. My favorite thing from Erewhon.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, God. Oh, we didn't even tell them. Okay, so Hailey Bieber and then Mango Malibu.
Good. I
Wait a
like the
minute.
mango.
That's like really sweet. Do you like sweet stuff? Okay, that's why you like it.
I like extra sweet stuff, so that's why it's perfect.
Yeah, you see, I wouldn't order the Hailey Bieber one.
Yeah, I would order this one again.
I would absolutely order this one
I
again.
do like the mango. So it's good that we got this.
The white is like Greek yogurt, I think.
I rate it literally a 10 out of 10.
We actually do really like Erewhon. Hate to say it. Like,
Yeah, but
embarrassed
for
to
the
say
price, it better be good.
Also, I'm sure the Greek yogurt is the reason why that this has as much protein as it does.
Yeah, it's good for you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we need to like take some selfies right now.
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, so we are gonna go take selfies with them. Sorry. Bye, guys. We love you.
It's worth it.
It's like really perfect. Like,
Okay, yeah, I did a review on your cauliflower.
you can try one if you want. Do you like spicy things? Don't like spicy things either until it's Erewhon buffalo cauliflower.
Have you had it before?
Yeah, I have. The girl that we saw at ML, her roommate, got it with me once, and I had like a little tiny bite, and I was like,
It's
so
good.
ever since I've been craving it.
I just got an almond croissant.
That sounded so high quality and crispy. Oh my god. Oh. And we saw one of our friends in there. Like, be so for real. We are not the only ones doing this. Nobody wants to admit that they like Erewhon.
I literally walked in and was like, sad?
Okay.
Are we going on that hike? Or where are we going? I don't even know.
Oh my gosh. Holy. No way. How is this real? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get that Insta story. I just put my butt on that and I'm wearing white. Okay.
Love it.
We're gonna move here right after we graduate. We're good.
Everyone's staying.
You'll never see us ever again. From LA to LA. La la la. Yes. Honestly. Let's go just like run down the shore. Okay, so I made a little like summer beet and avocado salad for dinner. And then I put my goodles in a wine glass. Yeah, it's giving mac and cheese and salad so that they cancel each other out. Yes.